Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Arubit and in this tutorial I will show you how to join to server on Discord. I will show you step by step how to do it, so you may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment and let's go. Okay, so there are two steps to join on the server Discord. First of them is join by link. Hit a link to join your server Discord. For example this, and now what you need to do, enter in this or this. You may click, and as you can see I joined it to the server. Lazy bread. As you can see it's working, I am on the new server. You can see I joined it. Okay, and second option is join to the server by explore public servers here, and you will be redirected here to the home. As you can see, you here have many options on every content with server Discord, gaming, music, education. You may also choose this. You write Fortnite, example. As you can see, you here have server Discord, and click. Follow these channels for new updates. Okay, and as you can see, click join official Fortnite. You will be on this server, and okay, that's all what I show you. So share to others, write a comment.